Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So this video has been very kindly sponsored by a brand called Axesea. Now I think I'm pronouncing it right, it's spelled like this. And they are a surf apparel company that does quite a few bits and bobs, but I'm going to be reviewing their swimsuits for you guys today. So I'm really excited to see what these are like because they're quite affordable. They're all in the range of about $30 to $40, so that's not that much, and they ship worldwide, which is brilliant, and they just feel really nice quality, and they've also got sun protection built in, which is brilliant. So if you're out on the water all day long, you kind of need a bit more than just sun cream, and I'm quite fanatic about my skin. I want it to be protected, so the idea that these swimsuits has it built in as well is just fabulous, and they're really funky. You can kind of see some of them. So I've got about 9 or 10 to show you guys, so I'm just going to hop straight to it. I will make sure everything is linked down below and you can check that all out, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is this really funky looking blue number. So I really like these bags as well because you can reuse these in your luggage to actually put your swimming costumes in when you go on holiday, or I also reuse them fossil hunting. If you're new to my channel, I'm a geologist as well as a fashion influencer. Quite a varied choice of 2 different jobs there, but good fun nonetheless. And I use these as my fossil sample bags when I go on field trips. They're just really good at keeping all my fossils separated. Don't know what word I was trying to say there. But this is the swimsuit. I go off topic very easily, you might have realised. And it's just this beautiful long sleeve number. So I'm trying to think which way, where's the front? So the front looks like that, so it's got these sort of darts going down, which I think will be really flattering on the figure. It's got a zip at the back, which is really nice, and it's got this long toggle so you can pull it off you quite easily, the same as on wetsuits, which I love. Lovely material. This is beautifully made, really, really lovely. And look at the colours and fabric on that. Like, I love this. And then it's just got a normal base on it, looks like a normal swimming costume, so we'll see how that fits. But I really love the cut of this, and it's got a built-in sort of bra top, so you don't have to worry about wearing anything underneath. No, it's beautiful. And I got this in a size US 4, so I will make sure all my sizes are down below with the links, so you can compare how it looks on me versus yourself, so you can get the right size. But I really, really like this. So funky, isn't it? And I love blue because my eyes are blue. I kind of like to match. But yeah, so let's see what this looks like, and yeah, I'll go pop it on. So this is how it fits, and I absolutely love it. It hugs me everywhere perfectly. The arm length is brilliant. The neck isn't too tight, and I feel like it hugs me everywhere, but it's not restrictive at all, which is brilliant, especially for doing sporting. I wasn't expecting it to be so full coverage, but it actually fits really lovely. Like, it hugs all my curves. It's not pinching in at all, so I'm not, like, sometimes with full coverage I need to be careful because the seams can be a bit tight, but this is the perfect size to me. I can get fingers underneath and it's comfortable, so I don't feel like I'm being strangled in that sense. But no, I think this is really cute. I love the material of it and the fabric. Like, look how funky it is. If it was like 2 inches longer, I would wear this as an outfit. Like, if it turned into a romper. Like, how cute is this? No, I'm feeling this one. I love it. I just think it's so sassy, and I really like the stitching. The cups fit great. The chest, it kind of, obviously it's one size for all, and I think bigger or smaller it just works with, but it's very comfortable. I don't feel uncomfortable in it, and no, I really, really love this one. So the next one I got is also quite a bright one. It looks like a similar cut to the blue one you just saw. Oh wow, it's stunning. It's got a parrot on it, guys. Or do they have 1 or 2? Just 1 down the front. Wow, that is just beautiful. How unusual is that? I actually love that. Like, that in a tropical place. Like, how stunning is that? I actually love this one. I think this is, I know it's only the second one, but this is probably my favourite. So I got this one in a size 4 as well. It's exactly the same cut with the nice long zip at the back that you can easily pull up and down. It's got a built-in bra in it, so you don't need to worry about wearing anything underneath. No, I love this one. I'm going to show you guys actually what it has built in because it is quite proper. So if you guys look here, it's got 2 pads, and it's actually like a separate thing to the swimming costume, so you're held in separately, and then this lovely fabric goes over the top of you. So it's really, really nice. And then the bottom is the same as well. So I am so excited to see what this looks like on because this is just so funky. It's got parrot on it. I love that. Right, let's put it on. So this is how it fits and I absolutely love it. It's not as high necked as I thought it was going to be. I didn't spot that it was kind of more of a normal neckline. So if you don't like the restriction of having a high neck, this is the perfect alternative and you get this super sassy print. I am just obsessing over this parrot. Like, I love it so much. So this is a really nice streamlined swimming costume. This would be great if I was doing any diving, that type of stuff, because I don't have to worry about anything coming out of place, but it just fits beautifully. Full coverage as well, like the last one, and just really cute. Like, I just love how funky the prints are. I don't have time for boring swimsuits. I'm all here for these ones. Literally, I love this. Like, how cute is that? Oh, it's really nice and it's really movable, really nice quality, and just fits very true to size. Like, this fits me perfectly. I don't have any issues with the sizing whatsoever. So I'm wearing US 4, if that helps anyone, or equivalent to, I'm a UK size 8 or a size small, and I'm 5'5". So you can maybe use that to help you, but I will write that all down in the description box so you guys can check it all out if you're interested, but oh, I love it. Moving on, so the next one I've got looks like a slightly different design. Oh, I like this. So this one has a zip down the front, which is nice because sometimes I like to be a little bit sexy, so you can move the zip up or down depending how much skin you want to show, which gives you a nice option. Long sleeve as well, built-in cups, which is fab, and then it's got a little bit of ruching going on down where it matters, so this might be a really flattering fit on us curvy girls, so I'm excited to see what this looks like, and I love this sort of jungle floral print. It's just beautiful. Like, how funky is that? So let's go throw it on. I like the fact they do designs where the zip's down the front versus the back. It just means, you know, you can have a bit of versatility with that and play around with it. So love that, and you can still be fully protective if you need to be, but then also be like, release, or get some tan on your chest. Right, let's go try this one on. I got this one in a size US 4 as well. So this is how it fits, and I absolutely love this one. Only thing I would say, the zip, obviously this is a lovely length. If I move it even a fraction, wait, oh, it's not, oh, there we go. It's got like a point where I can put it to and it holds, but it does have a bit of a pinging tendency. But if I put it all the way up there, it's absolutely fine. It's only if I want to have it amongst the girls. There we go. I think that is good. But the overall fit of it, absolutely fabulous. I really like the ruching here. I feel really like held in, which is lovely. The arms fit great, really easy to move in. Can zip all the way up, and then it's not round the neck. It's kind of a really nice point where it's not going to feel like restrictive at all. And I love the fact I can put it down or up. It just, I think I need to keep it above the girls, otherwise it drops a bit below them. So you've got to be careful with the zip at the front because that does happen, but maybe I can put like a little stitch or something to stop that happening. But no, it's really cute. The back of it is full coverage, but a really nice fit. It's not too tight at all. So I've definitely gone for the right size again. And now, oh my God, booby's nearly out. Okay, I've got to be careful. I don't think I can work this one. Wait, okay. We're gonna put this one all the way up for safety reasons. Otherwise I am going to flash on YouTube, which I really don't want to do. Because I really like the print of this one. The zips are gonna be a problem because they can ping to down here for me. But when they're zipped up, I feel really nice and held in. It's kind of like I'm wearing a sports bra, but a comfy one. So I do really like this one, and I will probably wear it. I've just got to be careful with the zip. I think I've got to keep it done up. But very cute, love the print on it. But yeah, compared to the zips at the back, I think this one's a bit more risky for me anyway, but I can just zip it up and it's absolutely fine. So yeah, I can't play around with the zips like I planned to, but it does fit. So the next one I got is actually a short sleeve one, I believe. So it looks like this from the front. So you're covered at the front, and then it's got a beautiful lace-up design in the back. Love the flowers on this one. Like, isn't that just beautiful? It looks a bit higher cut, the base of this swimming costume, but I still think it's going to be super cute on. Again, I got it in a US 4, really nice quality. They're thickly made, so you're not gonna have to worry about getting these wet. Like they're gonna stay the shape they're meant to. Like I don't think these will sag at all. They're just beautiful swimming costumes. Like I'm so excited to wear these. They're just beautiful, and I really like the lace-up design on the back. You'll get funky tan lines, but you'll look cute doing it, so it's fine. But let's go throw this one on. So this is how this one fits, and I really love the print of this one. It kind of gives me Hawaii vibes. I don't know if that's accurate, but I love the navy with the flowers. It feels really cute, and I just really like the look of it. The back of it is adorable with the lace up. It's really pretty. And the bottom of it it's pretty full coverage, but a little bit less, I would say, than full coverage. But it's not pinching me at all, which is nice. So no, I really like this one. Only thing I would say, the long sleeve ones didn't restrict at all. This one, it doesn't restrict, but I can feel the stitching a bit more. So if you're going to be using your arms a lot, I would be wary of that, but it doesn't stop you. So I'm sure just pushing past it, it will ease over time, but I think it's just the stitching on the sleeves. But overall, very comfortable, and yeah, I can definitely see myself wearing this one. Love it. So the next one is this sort of funky tropical print one. So this again is a different cut to the last ones you've seen. So which way is the front? Right, the front is this one. So it's kind of, this one's got no sleeves at all, and it's a halter neck, and it's got the zip going down the back with a nice long pull, so it's easy to get on and off, especially if you don't have someone to help you, which is fabulous. Just to make it extra easy, it's got these really cute sort of lace-up designs on the hips. I just think this is going to look really lovely on. Like, they're just very practical swimming costumes. Like, if you're someone who does a lot of water sports and you're moving a lot, you don't want to be worrying if your tit is out or, you know, that type of thing. So these swimsuits, they're going to look really cute, but also, you know, keep you in where you need to be kept in. So I'm really excited for that, because you can just forget about yourself and just enjoy whatever you're doing, because, you know, swimwear, it's getting rather small nowadays, which isn't a problem. Like, I own plenty of tiny swimwear, but when I'm actually swimming or doing activities, I want something that's gonna, you know, keep me held in, and actually I can surf without worrying, I can windsurf without, you know, worrying if I fall in, whether my bikini top's over there and I'm over here. That has happened, we won't go into that, but I really like these and the quality of them, and I think I'm gonna feel really cute in them, but also really, you know, secure. So really liking these. So this is how it fits, and I think it's a really cute fit. It's a bit different to the other ones, slightly tighter on the chest, but still very comfortable. It's just quite streamlined. So this would be lovely if I was doing lengths or like a lot of vigorous swimming, because it is just, I'm all strapped in and it just feels really nice. I love the cute detailing down the sides. I think that's a lovely extra. It's a bit more of a, I would say, Brazilian back to this one. It's not quite as full coverage as the other ones, but still very cute. I like the neckline, not too much side boob going on, because that's always a problem with sort of halter neck things. So I think it's more just armpit fat coming out, which, that's not their fault. So no, I really like this one. I think the colours are really funky. I can see myself wearing this one. It's really funky, and I really like these pull tabs. Pull tabs, I don't actually know what to call these, but they make getting these swimming costumes on and off so easy, so I love that, and no, I really like this one. But yeah, let me know what you think. Everything will be linked down below, but I think this is really cute. So the next one I got is this one. I think this one's a bit more, well, I say it's a bit more plain. It's still got some funk to it, so that's upside down. So it's a short sleeve one. The zip's down the front, which I really like, and I love this colourful Aztec pattern down the sides, but then it's got the black to, you know, keep it a bit more simple down the middle, and I think it will be really slimming having the pattern either side of you, because it kind of makes you look like you're just the black bit. I don't know, I might be completely wrong there, but I really like this one. I like the fact I can adjust the front. It's got the built-in cups again, which is just brilliant, and no, I really like this one. I got it in a US 4 as well. I think I got everything in a US 4. I'll have to check on the bikini you're gonna see next, and then there is a sort of like a top as well to go. But no, I love this. Let's put it on. So I'm going to keep this one zipped up so I don't make the same mistake as earlier. But I really love the fit of this one. I think it's nice how it's kind of subtle, but it also has the funky print down the sides. I like it zipped up. I think it just looks lovely, and I like the sort of cap sleeves. They don't restrict at all, but they just keep your shoulders covered, which is really sweet. So no, I really like this one. This one's a very versatile one. If you're not one for all the wacky prints, which are gorgeous, this is a nice alternative that still gives you the bit of wackiness. And the back of it, it's pretty full coverage, which is nice. And no, it's just really cute. I do love the Aztec down the sides. And I quite like that it's black. It's kind of a subtle one, but you got something different going on. So no, I really like the style of this one. I think it works really well having the pop of colour down the sides and on the sleeves. So no, I love this, and I like the branding on this one. The other ones didn't seem to have that, so no, really like this one. So the bikini I got is this lovely navy blue and sort of like tropical coloured one, so it's a bit half and half. I got the top in a size small, but the cups look really nice, and it's a tie back and adjustable strap, so you can kind of make it fit you. It has got light padding in it, so that's brilliant, and you kind of, because you can tie and adjust it, you know it's going to fit. It's just whether you like the design. And then the bottoms to match it, I think I might have gotten the wrong size. These are a medium, so they're looking rather big, but then I am kind of curvy, and they're tie sides, so we should be able to make them work because I really love the colourings of them. How pretty is that? And on the bum, it's ruched. I am all here for a ruched bottom. It just really accentuates the bum and makes it look really peachy, which is fabulous. So, no, I love the colours of this two-piece. So let's see what it looks like on. So this is how it fits, and I think it's a really cute fit. The bottoms fit fine in a medium. I just kind of tied them quite a bit, but then it looks cute having the tassels anyway. The top fits beautifully. Like, for a size small top, I think the cups are a really generous size, and you can adjust them, so it's really, really nice. And I like, it's got like a little emblem in the middle, which is lovely. So no, I really like this one. Not sure on the colour scheme. I think I like it, but let me know what you think. I'm not used to the sort of like one-sided design, but I think it's cute. It fits lovely. I'll definitely wear it. The bottoms are lovely with the ruched design. They're very flattering. So yeah, no, I really like this one. I can't high-waist the bottoms probably as much as I normally would, but that just might be me. I don't know if that's because they're a medium or what, but no, I like this one. So the last thing I got is a protective top. So this can go over the top of my normal swimwear because I do have a lot of swimwear anyway that I love. It's just not very protective. Like, a lot of the time my shoulders are out, or, you know, it's just not really appropriate to be out in the water all day, whereas I can throw this over the top and it just, you know, protects my shoulders, and it gives me another layer as well, which is nice. So I got this in a US 4. And I just thought that would be quite practical to throw over the top of the ones I've already got if I need an extra layer, or my original swimwear. And I just thought it was really cute, and I like the little logo it's got. So I'll throw this one on, and yeah, that's the last thing. So this is how it fits, and I just think it's a really nice, easy fit to throw over the top of either a swimming costume or a bikini. And it just, you know, gives you that little extra layer of protection, but it's just made out of a really nice sort of material and fits really nice, I think. So really like this one. So that's all I got for you guys today. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to see more of this swimwear, do check out my OnlyFans and Patreon. Yes, I set up an OnlyFans. It was in popular demand when I put up a poll, so I thought I would give it a shot. So everything's going to be linked down below. All the links to these items are down below as well, so you can check those out if you're into surfing, that type of thing, but also just looking cute at the beach. Like, I'm not a huge surfer just yet. England isn't really allowing that, but I do windsurf and things like that, and these will be great underneath my wetsuits or just in a swimming pool, to be honest. So really excited to start wearing these. So thank you so much to Axesea for sponsoring this video. I love your stuff. The quality is fabulous. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed. Check out all the links in the description box, and I'll be back with more soon. Thanks for watching.